Welcome to Simply Fleet. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can get started with Simply Fleet. Once you get to the sign up screen, enter your email and a password of your choice and click the Continue button. You will be taken to the Organization Setup page. Here you can fill in the details of your organization. Make sure you double check the default units that you'd like to see your data in. For example, do you want to check your mileage data in miles or kilometers? Each vehicle can have its own unit, but we will get to that when we look at creating vehicles. Once you're done, click Register. On the next screen, you need to fill in your details. Your email address is pre-populated from the one used during login and your role is selected as admin. We will get into the details of filling out this form in the user's tutorial. We've gone ahead and created a demo vehicle for you along with some demo data. Feel free to explore the application using this data. Once you're ready, you can delete the demo vehicle. Now that you've created an organization, you can log in from your mobile app as well, using the same credentials used earlier. In the next tutorial, we will see how to create users and vehicles in Simply Fleet. Thanks for watching.